Guys, in this video we're going to talk about the very first drill that you should very regularly practice when you begin concealed carry. And not just when you begin it, this is something that you should continue doing throughout all of the time that you carry a firearm for self-defense. Basically what you want to do is come out to your range, have your firearm in an outside the waistband holster. Stand in front of your target, simply practice drawing and firing a shot. Okay, that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to make sure that I get that proper grip on my gun. Go back on my channel, check out some of those other videos where I talk about that. I'm going to make sure my support hand is somewhere on my body. I'm going to release any type of retention devices that I have. Make sure that your trigger finger is not on that trigger. I'm going to draw that firearm, rotate toward the target. I'm going to extend out, join with my secondary hand, take aim on that target, touch that trigger, and press that shot. Okay? And then reholstering is just the opposite. For this is my TSOS 1911 Raider. Any 1911 or gun with a manual safety, I want to make sure that I re-engage that manual safety, and just the opposite. I want to rotate it down and make sure that I have it back in that holster properly, just like that. Again, coming out to the range, standing in front of your target, drawing that gun, making sure that you take aim, firing that shot, and reholstering. That is a fundamental skill that you're going to need. If you cannot draw your gun while you are in a controlled environment like this from an outside the waistband holster, if you're in a situation to where you're carrying concealed under stress, it's going to be much more difficult for you. This is a drill that you should practice regularly. Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Go over, become a channel member, and we'll see you next time.